Zachary. Welcome to Burn Down's Country Kitchen. Today we're going to get after pizza, but not your normal kind of pizza. No, this is an upside down pizza. You ever hear about that? You ever make an upside down pizza? Me neither, but we're going to give her hell today. How about that? All right, y'all. Let's get after these ingredients. Okay. I will be making my own dough. You can buy your own store. It'll be all right. I won't judge you one way or the other, but I will be making my own dough today. So I got my flour, I got my yeast, I have my oil and my sugar and my salt. That'll do me good, get me going on that. As far as the pizza goes, I have mozzarella shredded. I got some provolone slices. This big old beast here is Italian sausage. I'm going to cook up and cut up and put in there with it. And I also have sweet Italian sausage to go as well. Also, I have pepperoni chicken, my homemade everything sauce, onion, and I got my jalapenos. I'm not sure if I said bell peppers already. I got garlic up here. That will at least get us started. If I'm forgetting something, we'll bring it out, or if I'm going to do something else, we'll put something up, but this should get us going. All right, y'all, let's get after it. We're going to start by making the dough, which would be 3 cups all-purpose flour. This dough is so good too, like I can't even tell you. It's that good, y'all, that good. We'll set that aside because we'll need that later. Then we'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and let's see here. Go ahead and toss in some Italian seasoning while we're at it. Love the way it makes it look. Okay. Put that in here. Give it a quick little stir. Go. Got my garlic all ready to go. We're gonna infuse this with garlic, y'all, so it's just gonna get squeezed straight in there. I've done this a lot. Some of you have seen it, some of you haven't. I didn't need to make my everything sauce, so I figured I wouldn't worry about it and go ahead and make this, which is just way better than store-bought. Just is. I mean, you do you. Everybody's only got whatever time they got, but I'd rather have homemade pizza dough any day of the week. Mrs. Burton Down and I were talking. We ain't even gone out to get pizza in so long. We kind of miss doing it. The hard thing is when you make good pizza at home, it's kind of hard to go out and spend the money on it. But you know, the flip side of that is the experience, right? You go out and have an experience. I'm gonna do this one more time. That's about it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get my water up to temperature. It's gonna be 1 cup water between 110 and 120 degrees. So I got my water at 113 degrees right now, which is between 110 and 120. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 tablespoons. Let me see, let me make sure here. I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons of yeast. That's what I thought. Had a second thought there going, whoop, nope, that ain't right. All right, so 2 teaspoons of yeast. And we're gonna go ahead and wait for that to start to activate. Now, if it doesn't start to foam up, throw it out, it's no good. You have to get new yeast and start over. It's just dead, it's the way it is. Okay, I'll set that aside and just let it hang out until it starts to get frothy. Yeah, just like that. You see it activate, everybody? That's what you're looking for. That was nice, right? Nice little close up. I got you. I got you. All right, y'all see how that activated? It's pretty impressive, right? I love yeast. All right, this is my quarter cup of oil. Go ahead and go in there. It's gonna go ahead and go in there. I can't talk today, y'all, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some sound off of there so you ain't gotta listen to this thing. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this in slowly and then we'll be good to go. Go ahead and flour your station and your hands. Oh, look at that. Nice, right? Beautiful dough. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and knead this a little bit. You say, well, didn't the mixer do that? Yep, it did. But we can do it just a little bit better than the mixer, can't we? That's just a machine, y'all. We're better than that. Ugh. Nice. This is where we get our bowl. Go ahead and oil it up a little bit. Nice little coating on it. Just helps it from sticking. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in a nice, dark, warm place, cool place, not cold. We're gonna let that hang out for about an hour. So we'll go ahead and cover it up. I'm gonna put it in the microwave and just let it sit there. I'm gonna be using my stove a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook the bacon in the oven. Now, full disclosure, this big old piece of sausage I took out, I don't really need it for this pizza, to be honest with you. I just want it, so it's getting cooked. One way or the other, it's getting cooked. Go ahead and start getting this chicken prepared. Take off the junk we don't want, right? Always have yourself a good, sharp knife. This bad boy got 50 strokes on the sharpener this morning. Okay, y'all know what I'm gonna do next. You've seen me do ranch chicken before. Just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some ranch on there. Seasoning. You do a little now and then some more after it's done cooking. and valleys. It'll be decent. You should have that pan up to temp. We'll put some nonstick on it and get this chicken on. Now you are going to want to do it al dente. You're not going to want to cook it completely through because it is going to go back into the oven. So these will be cooked twice, technically. Okay, I'm going to pull these soon. You can see how they're pretty much white. There's just a little pink here and there. So that's perfect right there. We don't want to overdo it now. I know, it's chicken. It's got to be cooked all the way. It will, I promise you. Promise. Pinky swear. Leave that there. Got Italian sausage on there. Get it broken up. Whatever size pieces of sausage you like on your pieces. Alright, this is getting just like the chicken. Getting al dente. That bacon's almost done. Go ahead and get some onion cut up right quick. Alright, that taco beet we made up, go ahead and put some onion in there too. Get that mixed in. It's a good mixture. You can do this with a lot of stuff. I even did it with the smashed tacos and hamburgers, smashed burgers. Try to keep a clean hand if you can. That way you don't cross-contaminate. That nice and hot. Oh, come on now. There we go. All right, we're just looking to ground it up. Okay. So we got nicely grilled chicken over here. Not grilled, but charred chicken over here. Get that all in there nice and neat. I can get you some good ranch that you make, not that you bought at the store, because that's gross. We can get that in there. One of these days I'm going to keep knives and forks right around with me so I don't have to keep bouncing around and grabbing them when I forget them. Nice and mixed in there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. It's a nice mixture. Alright, let's go ahead and get our onion cut up for these pizzas. dough should be about ready, so we'll go ahead and flour our station in our hands. Just like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Poke the air out of it. Knead it a little bit here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is cut this in half. Do a line first, make sure it's about half. Press into it. Nice. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it out a little bit. Just trying to get it big enough. Go ahead and quarter turn it. If we ain't there, we're close. Alright, should be good. Looks fairly good. So I'm gonna go ahead and move it off the side here. And go ahead and cut this other piece here in half. See if we can't accomplish the same thing, huh? All right, let's build this upside down pizza, we think, huh? First thing I'm gonna do, start throwing down some bell peppers here. Go. Pretty much just like that. Next is my onions. Man, that's nice right there. Nice right there, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on there. We want everything to bind together, don't we? What we got going next here? Got this sweet sausage. Throw that on in there. Sweet Italian sausage. Don't be shy. Saving just enough for one of my other little pans. Have them pepperonis, y'all. Gotta have them pepperonis. Don't be shy. This is the time to use them. That's why we bought them, right? Upside down pizza. Unbelievable. Things they come up with. All right, y'all, I found it. I found the paper. I found it. I synced it. It is, I found this from Han's Home Cooking Channel. So yeah, this is I guess their recipe, or they found it for someone. I don't know. This is where I found it from. So I want to make sure they get their flowers because they deserve them. All right, let's get back after this. So now I got that on there. It's time for some provolone. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. We gotta sprinkle some mozzarella in there. We want this bad boy cheesy, don't we? All the way to the edge. This is deep. This is a deep dish. We got our provolone on there. Man. I'm gaining so much weight just looking at this, y'all. It ain't even fair. Ain't even fair how much weight I'm gaining just looking at it. Now we sauce this bad boy up. I'm using my everything sauce I make. Y'all have seen me do it. If you haven't, you can go back and look at a number of them. Or you can make your own sauce. Or you can buy it from the store. If you just want to throw one of these together real quick, it don't have to be all fresh home ingredients. You know what I mean? Man, I love this stuff. Summertime with the flies. Bothers the heck out of me, but what are you going to do? That. A little more on there. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. A little more cheese on top. Because we can. So we do. All right. Y'all ready for this? I don't know if I am either, but we're gonna try it anyways. Get my dough here. Flung over my arm. Look, just fling it over. Pro tip, y'all. You ain't gotta wrestle with it. All right, just like that. So now, what we're gonna do is tuck it in. All along the sides here. Tuck it in the best you can. Get it in there and tuck it all in between everything and the sides of the wall. What you thinking? That's a pie? No, it's a pizza pie. And it's an upside down pizza, so bear with me. As long as everything works like it's supposed to, that is. All right. Nice. All right. So now you're gonna take a little bit of oil on there. Go ahead and paint it. Paint it. See all that infused Italian seasoning. There's garlic in there. Man, tell you what, it's gonna be good. There's one, y'all. There's one. What I'm gonna do a little different with this, just throw a little jalapeno on top so that I can tell. I don't need a lot, just a little bit. Okay, just a couple. That way I know that's the hot one. And I don't accidentally give it to Mrs. Burn now. Because then she might accidentally give me the frying pan back to the side of my head. So, all right, I'm gonna get these in the oven. Got a 425 until they're golden brown, and then we'll be back. All right, y'all, it's that time again. Like, share, and subscribe. Those pizzas are almost done and ready to go, just like me. So if you're ready to go, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can get on going. So we can keep on keeping on, y'all. All right, enough of the business. Let's get to the food. Look at that upside down pizza, y'all. No, it's a pie. No, it's an upside down pizza pie. Hang on, we ain't done. Calm down. It'll be all right. Hopefully it'll be all right. I've never done this before. Oh, huh. Look at that. Upside down deep dish pizza, y'all. What on earth are we looking at right here? That's crazy. All right, we still got 2 more to do. That one's a hot jalapeno one. All right, this one's heavy, and I forgot to use the nonstick, so we will see how that one goes. Oh yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Oh.
Woo, look at that, baby.
Woo!
You expect still it up.
No.
He's done this one.
Yes, he did.
Yes, sir. Cast iron. Upside down. Pizza pies, baby. All right, so these are chicken bacon ranch. You know what that means. Yup. Means that happens. You make that sound, that happens. All right. All right, y'all. You gotta come look at this upside down pizzas. They are, come on. All right, y'all, let's do this taste test. I don't know where Patrick went off to, but he gone. Look at this. Ooh, it's hot. That's a hot. I have to get something for that. There we go. Look at that deep dish. Look at that deep dish. Upside down pizza. It's so hot and falling apart. Alright. That may be sloppy. Because it's really juicy. Man, that is good. That sauce, I'll take another bite of that when I want to. That sauce is so good. This one's not nearly as runny because the sauce is different. This is the chicken bacon ranch. My jalapeno on there. And this is the upside down deep dish. It don't get no messier than that. Well, yes it does, that one. Whew, that's good. I got people ready to tear this up, y'all, so I hope you liked it. It's not that hard. It's really not. You don't have to buy this. You don't have to make your own dough. You can go buy it. You don't have to make your own sauces. You can go buy it. It's okay. No one's going to judge you. But man, that is good. You should at least try it once because it's kind of fun to make. So, alrighty. Hope you liked it. Make something. Make anything. Make upside down deep dish pizza. out of a cast iron. Why not, right? What else are you gonna do? You get to order it, but fun is that? Just sit around waiting for someone else to bring you pizza? Yeah, all right, that is kind of fun, but this is way better. This is way better. All right, y'all. I'm done rambling because I'm looking at this pizza. Hope you liked it, and till next time.